Hey guys, welcome back. Little quick video. You remember the other day when I made the video about doing the box ends, and I wound up making this little thing impromptu, and I had another smaller one. Well, it made the perfect little bag to hold all my clips in. Anyway, just wanted to show that to you. But I thought it was pretty neat. But look, what I want to show you today is this. I've been wanting to order this forever, ever since I got this machine. And this is a 3D printed wheel that replaces this one. And the theory behind it is, with it being larger, it will help you with more precise control. If you need to turn your hand wheel manually to adjust your needle. And what they also say is that the increased momentum of this wheel will give you more punch in your needle. I don't really think that's true because this thing is so lightweight. I mean, it weighs nothing. If it was steel on the outer part of it, yeah, I could see that. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Now, you got to excuse my hands. I've been painting today, and I truly believe that I would rather watch a battery charge than have to paint anything. You put a paintbrush in my hand, I'm like a monkey with Parkinson's. That it doesn't go well. So excuse my hands. But supposedly, all we have to do is gently remove this, and my little pin here is going up and down, so that should make this easy to align, because inside here there's a little cutout for the pin. So that should go right on. There we go. Well, that was easy. That's pretty cool. I kind of like that. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to put this in this drawer right here. Uh, that's pretty cool. I wish that they had one in this color or even this color. They have pictures of one with this color, but that's not available. But I would rather have it in this dark gray color so it matches the machine. And this is my Singer Heavy Duty 4423 that I affectionately named Samantha. And so, I mean, it's kind of silly that I make a video about this little wheel, but I was pretty excited about it, you know. And while I was painting today, painting is pretty mindless. It's mind numbing. And while you're just going along, my mind's thinking about other things. And the only thing I could think about is getting back here to my sewing room and finishing this reptilian bag that I'm making just out of the top of my head. When I get this finished, maybe I'll make a video about that. But anyway, it's turning out pretty nice. And, you know, during the day, I'm a welder. And my whole day is, I'm burning steel. Sometimes I'm burning myself. Um, and it's pretty heavy work. And, but what keeps me going is I know that after work, I can be in here in my sewing room working on this stuff, and that's what brings me pleasure. You've got to find that thing that keeps you going through the day. Um, if it's working on cars, your hot rod, your motorcycle, maybe you do woodworking at night after work. We do sewing. Um, you know, you don't have to make excuses to anybody to find an activity that you enjoy, that keeps you going through the day. I was so excited because I knew that Amazon was bringing me this today. And I was like pumped. And all it is a $16, $17 wheel for my sewing machine. You know, that's something I could not even possibly start to explain to somebody else. You know, if you don't find some kind of out of work activity, you're gonna go crazy. It could be reading, it could be Pokemon cards, it could be cooking. Take a class at the local, co-op college, or even what was that football player's name? Rosie Greer. Big football player from the 70s and 80s. He did needlepoint. For crying out loud. Find your activity. Find what keeps your wheels going. I got so excited about this wheel, I couldn't wait to share it with you. Yeah, it seems kind of silly, but you know, I made this little thing for all my clips. Man, I was so excited. I was pumped. It doesn't matter what your activity is. Just find something that you can immerse yourself into that's not work. Anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. If you have one of these singers, get you one of these wheels off of Amazon or eBay. They're pretty cool. Have a great week.